Hi, this is Norman Hill. Sending you a video in response to the email that you sent regarding the charge pipe that was on my that I ordered for my 2011 535i. I'm having some issues with the charge pipe not fitting. It will not slide over the throttle body to engage the locking clamp. I've tried everything humanly possible to do it. I've also enlisted the help of a friend of mine who's a BMW technician at BMW of Alexandria here in Arlington, Virginia, with over 20 years of experience. I'm a retired Air Force aircraft mechanic, and I've owned BMW since 1985 when I bought my first one in Athens, Greece back in the 80s. So I'm very familiar with them. So we have a lot of experience between the two of us, but for some reason it just will not fit. It appears that on the inside of the lip, it's not sliding. The charge pipe is not sliding over the throttle valve to engage. I tried it with the old seal, or the old seal that came off the OEM throttle pipe. With the new seal, no luck. I tried everything I could think of, like I said, humanly possible. And the order number was 101-79393, and it was sent to me on the 15th of November. That was during the height of the COVID lockdown, and on top of that, I was recovering from double knee replacement surgery, so I was not able to get to installing it. So that's why it hasn't been installed till now. So what I'm requesting is just to have an exchange for one that I can install in the car. It's actually going on a 2011 535i, which is my wife's car. I have a 2016, and my plan was put this one on her car, and then later on order one for my car. My son, Norman Patrick Hill, which you probably check the order history, has actually ordered one for his 2010 335. So I'm familiar with it, so that's why I bought one. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. You can reach me at 540-907-1750. And of course, you can email me, and I appreciate your time. Thank you. This pipe will not go on any further. As you can see right here, that's the lip. It won't go any further. And if you look down in the tabs, you can see where it won't go up far enough to engage with the slot for me to, in order to secure it. So this is as far as it'll go, and it's actually stuck right there without me trying to beat it with a hammer or something. See, that's where I was. Same place where you're doing right there?
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I was been doing. You see how it's cocked upward? So it's got to come down because it's pointing upward.
Let's go.
See, it's not going all the way up. See how it's not going up on this piece here?
Mm-hmm.
It won't go any further up on that lip to engage. This will not engage. This will not line up with the slot that's on the throttle body.
I don't think this is gonna go in. Because something is keeping it.
I can't figure it out.
Well, it's not hitting this.
There where that lip is, right there, and it's not going any further.
Yeah, I think this might be.
It's not going any further because it's supposed to slide past this.
Yeah, this
Because
is
that seals it onto there. This provides the airtight seal.
Yeah. This is never gonna.
I took the seal out of that one.
Yeah, this is.
That's a brand new seal in there, and I even tried the old seal.
Yeah, I think what it is that right there. I think it's hitting that.